Here another car, we have a Toyota Yaris. This 2008. This car got a engine problem. Engine is heavily burnt from inside, and the head gasket is burnt it out. As the engine price here in UAE is cheaper, so we decided to replace the engine. So this is the old engine. This is the old engine of the car, and we have already ordered the original Japan engine. It's coming, it's the used but very nice quality. We are waiting for the part, and as soon as coming we are going to replace it. So engine replacement services at Skandar Garage, the best services we are offering with the quality job along with the original AC gas, highest quality lubricants, original oil filter along with the original silicone, and whatever consumers required to fix the car properly. Moreover, we are checking all the foundations, the mounting the chairs, and along with the transmission mounting and some other things also. So this is the complete compartment is out, engine is out. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any service requirement, most welcome to visit us at your most convenient time, and we assure you the highest quality with the reasonable prices. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good night.